find it difficult to change the sheets in your RV? Well, stay tuned for another RV quick tip. Thanks for joining me today. We're coming live today from our bedroom in our RV, and we are talking about a problem that I know a lot of you have probably encountered, and that is trying to change the dang sheets on your bed. You know, it's such a small space. We've got these cupboards here, and to try to get back in the corner and lift up the mattress, it's difficult. Now, John and I, we camp almost every single weekend of the summer. So we're gone for like 22 weeks in a row. And, you know, I like to have clean, fresh sheets to sleep in. And I need something simple that I can get on and off and wash every week so that we, you know, have fresh, clean bedding when we go the next weekend. So I'm just going to show you a quick tip, and I know this tip may not be for all of you, but this works for us, so let me just tell you what we do. So our bed in our RV is a queen size bed. What I have done is I have purchased just a really thin comforter that's full size. You know, I didn't want it too big or too much hanging off the edge of the bed. That's why I went a size smaller. But what I do is, let me just roll these pillows off. I do have our base mattress pad down, and that does stay on all the time. However, rather than taking sheets on and off, I throw this thin comforter down, and we actually sleep on top of the comforter, and then we throw a comforter over the top of us. You know, this is thin, it just pulls off, it goes in the washing machine real fast. When I come to re-put the bedding on the next weekend, I just toss the comforter on, and the bed is made. Boom. So thanks again for joining us today just for this really super quick tip. I hope that maybe I've helped you solve a problem. You know, it's all about making camping easier. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye-bye.